I'll start with the most important one, and this one is free. We have it in our homes. Natural light from the window is your best light. This is your friend. But the problem is that people use it wrongly. They either stand sideways or let the window behind them, and that's not the best use of the light. So why it's important is because the window works as if we are using a softbox or a big softbox in the studio. It works the same, if not better. But there are a few things to keep in mind. Turn the ceiling light off. Face the window. But if you have the sunlight coming directly from the window, you have to diffuse it. By using curtains, the sheer, they work perfect. If you don't have a sheer curtain, you could use the bed sheets. They work the same. To create some shadows, some mid-tone and some highlights, put the light or the window from, well, you can't move the window, but you could move your phone 45 degrees from the window. So that's the window here, and this is the direction of camera or the phone. But what if you are standing outside? If you are outside, avoid standing in the middle and in midday. What I do always and ask my clients to do is that go under a shade. So it could be a shade, it could be a tree. Sunlight will come from everywhere, but not from above or not from behind. Avoid letting the light coming from behind because the face will just look washed out. The second important thing is your background. If your background is busy, that will attract the attention to your background. It will also tell a wrong story. So you could use a corner that has maximum of 2 elements, and by that I mean could be a plant and a wall art, or you could use just a white background. This is the phone level, the camera level. We don't want the photo being taken from below. Oh, that's funny. And it creates the double chin and it doesn't look professional. Put the phone on a tripod or put it somewhere where it could be the same level of your eye because you connect with the audience. So, you can see me from here, so that's the camera and it's showing where I'm putting the mobile exactly, the same level of my eye. If I'm taking that photo for a branding, I would probably get rid of this table lamp behind me, the chair, and all of these things at the back. Before I wrap up, I have one last note. Using filters and AI. I'm not against that, but your clients or your audience want to see the real you. You want them to trust you. So I feel, and that's a personal note, I feel like if I put my photo into AI and it will make something with my face to make it nicer or even a filter, then I'm giving a wrong message. I'm not giving the real face, the real me. I would suggest that if you use AI, you could acknowledge that. You could say in the post that, in a funny way, try to AI this for this one or for this headshot or something. We could do that for fun and we could still build a trust and connect with our audience. Let me know if you agree or not with that. I mean, I would love to hear your opinion on that. So among these steps that I've mentioned, I would suggest get the lighting right. Everything else is achievable. Thanks for watching. See you next time. But until then, keep taking photos and let me know in the comments if that worked and what are the challenges or the barriers that you're still facing even when you apply these steps and your photos are still not good enough. I'm excited to actually dive deep in that. And please subscribe to my channel.